So you signed up for Google Classroom and now you're getting swamped with email notifications. There are essentially two ways you can manage these emails. The first way is to disable certain types of email notifications or specific Google Classrooms. To do so, you're going to open up an email from Google Classroom, and then you're going to go scroll down here where it says, if you don't want to receive emails from Classroom, click unsubscribe, and that will take you to the Classroom settings. Another way to get there is within your main page for Google Classroom, you can click on the menu bar here with the three lines and scroll down to settings. Once you're in your settings, you can disable all emails. You can turn on and off certain types of emails, or you can click on class notifications and turn off specific Google Classrooms so you won't get emails from those places. An alternative to disabling email notifications is to create a filter in Gmail. What you can do is open up specific emails and click on the three dots for more and click filter messages like this. You can also use the search bar at the top and click on this arrow to filter out messages. So for Google Classroom messages, we're going to go at classroom.google.com, and then we're going to create a filter for that. What we're going to do first is we're going to archive all those emails, and we're going to put a label. I have one here, but your first time you're going to put a new label, and you can name it Google Classroom Updates. Once you apply those filters and you click Create Filter, that will put all those notifications into one folder. The benefit of creating a Gmail filter is you'll still receive the email notifications, but you can scroll through the folder quickly to skim the subject lines of all the notifications to see if there's anything important that you need to respond to. And that's it. Good luck trying to achieve inbox zero.